Weight and balance. Question. When computing weight and balance, an airplane is considered to be in balance when? Answer. The average moment arm of the loaded airplane falls within its CG range. Question. What tasks are completed prior to weighing an aircraft to determine its empty weight? Answer. Remove all items except those on the aircraft equipment list, drain fuel and fill hydraulic reservoir. Question. What is meant by the term residual fuel? Answer. The fuel remaining in the tanks, lines, and engine after draining. Question. The useful load of an aircraft consists of the. Answer. Crew, usable fuel, passengers, and cargo. Question. Which of the following can provide the empty weight of an aircraft if the aircraft's weight and balance records become lost, destroyed, or otherwise inaccurate? Answer. Reweighing the aircraft. Question. Where do you look to determine the operating CG range when calculating a new aircraft weight and balance document? Answer. It is found in the type certificate data sheet. Question. In the theory of weight and balance, what is the name of the distance from the fulcrum to an object? Answer. Lever arm. Question. In the process of weighing an airplane toward obtaining the CG, the arms from the weighing points always extend. Answer. Parallel to the centerline of the airplane. Question. Which would have an effect on aircraft CG results when conducting a weight and balance check? Answer. Leaving the downlocks installed. Question. When an aircraft is positioned for weighing on scales located under each landing gear wheel, which of the following may cause erroneous scale readings? Answer. Parking brake set. Question. 1. Private aircraft are required by regulations to be weighed periodically. 2. Private aircraft are required to be weighed after making any alteration. Regarding the above statements. Answer. Neither number 1 nor number 2 is true. Question. What FAA-approved document gives the leveling means to be used when weighing an aircraft? Answer. Type certificate data sheet. Question. Use of which of the following generally yields the highest degree of aircraft leveling accuracy? Answer. Spirit level S. Question. To obtain useful weight data for purposes of determining the CG, it is necessary that an aircraft be weighed. Answer. In a level flight attitude. Question. What type of measurement is used to designate the arm in weight and balance computation? Answer. Distance. Question. What determines whether the value of a moment is preceded by a plus, or a minus, sign in aircraft weight and balance? Answer. The result of a weight being added or removed and its location relative to the datum. Question. The maximum weight of an aircraft is the. Answer. Empty weight plus useful load. Question. Question. Which statement is true regarding helicopter weight and balance? Answer. Weight and balance procedures for airplanes generally also apply to helicopters. Question. What should be clearly indicated on the aircraft weighing form? Answer. Weighing points. Question. If the reference datum line is placed at the nose of an airplane rather than at the firewall or some other location after the nose. Answer. All measurement arms will be in positive numbers. Question. Maximum zero fuel weight is the. Answer. Maximum permissible weight of a loaded aircraft, passengers, crew, and cargo, without fuel. Question. If it is necessary to weigh an aircraft with full fuel tanks, all fuel weight must be subtracted from the scale readings. Answer. Except unusable fuel. Question. The empty weight of an airplane is determined by. Answer. Subtracting the tare weight from the scale reading and adding the weight of each weighing point. Question. When dealing with weight and balance of an aircraft, the term maximum weight is interpreted to mean the maximum. Answer. Authorized weight of the aircraft and its contents. Question. Most modern aircraft are designed so that if all seats are occupied, full baggage weight is carried, and all fuel tanks are full, what will be the weight condition of the aircraft? Answer. It will be in excess of maximum takeoff weight. Question. The major source of weight change for most aircraft as they age is caused by. Answer. Repairs and alterations. Question. The useful load of an aircraft is the difference between. Answer. The maximum takeoff weight and basic empty weight. Question. When determining the empty weight of an aircraft, certificated under current airworthiness standards, 14 CFR Part 23, the oil contained in the supply tank is considered. Answer. A part of the empty weight. Question. Improper loading of a helicopter which results in exceeding either the fore or aft CG limits is hazardous due to the. Answer. Reduction or loss of effective cyclic pitch control. Question. Question. The maximum weight is used in weight and balance control of a given aircraft can normally be found. Answer. In the aircraft specification or type certificate data sheet. Question. An aircraft with an empty weight of 2,100 pounds and an empty weight CG plus 32.5 was altered as follows. 1. Two 18-pound passenger seats located at plus 73 were removed. 2. Structural modifications were made at plus 77 increasing weight by 17 pounds. 3. A seat and safety belt weighing 25 pounds were installed at plus 74.5, and 4. Radio equipment weighing 35 pounds was installed at plus 95. What is the new empty weight CG? Answer. Plus 33.68. Question. The CG range in single-rotor helicopters is. Answer. More restricted than for airplanes. Question. The amount of fuel used for computing empty weight and corresponding CG is. Answer. Unusable fuel. Question. An aircraft is loaded weighs 4,954 pounds at a CG of plus 30.5 inches. The CG range is plus 32.0 inches to plus 42.1 inches. Find the minimum weight of the ballast necessary to bring the CG within the CG range. The ballast arm is plus 162 inches. Answer. 57.16 pounds. Question. As weighed, the total empty weight of an aircraft is 5,862 pounds with a moment of 885,957. However, when the aircraft was weighed, 20 pounds of potable water were on board at plus 84, and 23 pounds of hydraulic fluid are in a tank located at plus 101. What is the empty weight CG of the aircraft? Answer. 151.365. Question. Two boxes which weigh 10 pounds and 5 pounds are placed in an airplane so that their distance aft from the CG are 4 feet and 2 feet respectively. How far forward of the CG should a third box, weighing 20 pounds, be placed so that the CG will not be changed? Answer. Answer. 2.5 feet. Question. An aircraft with an empty weight of 1,800 pounds and an empty weight CG of plus 31.5 was altered as follows. 1. Two 15-pound passenger seats located at plus 72 were removed. 2. Structural modifications increasing the weight 14 pounds were made at plus 76. 3. A seat and safety belt weighing 20 pounds were installed at plus 73.5. And 4. Radio equipment weighing 30 pounds was installed at plus 30. Answer. Plus 31.61. Question. An aircraft had an empty weight of 2,886 pounds with a moment of 101,673.78 before several alterations were made. The alterations included 1. Removing two passenger seats, 15 pounds each, at plus 71. 2. Installing a cabinet, 97 pounds, at plus 71. 3. Installing a seat and safety belt, 20 pounds, at plus 71. And 4. Installing radio equipment, 30 pounds, at plus 94. The alterations caused the new empty weight CG to move. Answer. 1.62 inches after the original empty weight CG. Question. If a 40-pound generator applies plus 1,400 inch-pounds to a reference axis, the generator is located. Answer. Plus 35 from the axis. Question. In a balance computation of an aircraft from which an item located after the datum was removed, use. Answer. Weight X, plus arm, dash moment. Question. All other things being equal, if an item of useful load located aft of an aircraft CG is removed, the aircraft CG change will be. Answer. Forward in proportion to the weight of the item and its location in the aircraft. Question. Datum is forward of the main gear center point, 30.24 inches. Actual distance between tail gear and main gear center points, 360.26 inches. Net weight at right main gear, 9,980 pounds. Net weight at left main gear, 9,770 pounds. Net weight at tail gear, 1,970 pounds. These items were in the aircraft when weighed. 1. Lavatory water tank full, 34 pounds at plus 352. 2. Hydraulic fluid, 22 pounds at minus 8. 3. Removable ballast, 146 pounds at plus 380. What is the empty weight CG of the aircraft described above? Answer. 60.31 inches. Question. When making a rearward weight and balance check to determine that the CG will not exceed the rearward limit during extreme conditions, the items of useful load which should be computed at their minimum weights are those located forward of the. Answer. Rearward CG limit. Question. When, or under what conditions are adverse loading checks conducted? Answer. Any time a repair or alteration causes EWCG to fall outside the CG range. Question. When accomplishing loading computations for a small aircraft, necessary information obtained from the weight and balance records would include. Answer. Current empty weight and empty weight CG. Question. When an empty aircraft is weighed, the combined net weight at the main gears is 3,540 pounds with an arm of 195.5 inches. At the nose gear, the net weight is 2,322 pounds with an arm of 83.5 inches. The datum line is forward of the nose of the aircraft. What is the empty CG of the aircraft? Answer. 151.1. Question. an aircraft with an empty weight of 1,500 pounds and an empty weight CG of plus 28.4 was altered as follows. 1. Two 12-pound seats located at plus 68.5 were removed. 2. Structural modifications weighing plus 28 pounds were made at plus 73. 3. A seat and safety belt weighing 30 pounds were installed at plus 70.5. And 4. Radio equipment weighing 25 pounds was installed at plus 85. What is the new empty weight CG? Answer. Plus 30.30. Question. The following alteration was performed on an aircraft. A Model B engine weighing 175 pounds was replaced by a Model D engine weighing 185 pounds at a minus 62.00-inch station. The aircraft weight and balance records show the previous empty weight to be 998 pounds and an empty weight CG of 13.48 inches. What is the new empty weight CG? Answer. 12.73 inches. Question. If the empty weight CG of an airplane lies within the empty weight CG limits. Answer. It is not necessary to calculate CG extremes. Question. When computing the maximum forward-loaded CG of an aircraft, minimum weights, arms, and moments should be used for items of useful load that are located aft of the. Answer. Forward CG limit. Question. Find the empty weight CG location for the following tricycle gear aircraft. Each main wheel weighs 753 pounds, nose wheel weighs 22 pounds, distance between nose wheel and main wheels is 87.5 inches, nose wheel. Location is plus 9.875 inches from datum, with 1 gallon of hydraulic fluid at minus 21.0 inches included in the weight scale. Answer. Plus 96.11 inches. Question. An aircraft's LEMAC and TEMAC are defined in terms of distance. Answer. From the datum. Question. If an aircraft CG is found to be at 24% of Mach, that 24% is an expression of the. Answer. Distance from the LEMAC.